The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 35 nautical miles south of Farewell Buoy to 59 nautical miles south of Sand Island Lighthouse, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Ida moving northward